In this section, I will show you how to set up Swift Logistics Shopify app in your store. After the successful installation, you have this screen. This is the guide section, and this is the credit and pricing section. You have 25 free credits. You can also purchase the credit to upload booking. One booking is equal to one credit. You can also contact us via email or live chat support. Okay, first of all, you must have an active Swift Logistic panel. For this, you need to open Swift Logistic website. Okay. In the footer section, click on Sign Up Now. You have this screen. Fill up the form and click Submit. Swift Logistic team will contact you in 1 or 2 days and activate your account. After the activation, you have Swift Logistic panel. Open up the Swift Logistic panel. You have this screen. Log in with your credentials. After the successful login, you have this dashboard of Swift Logistics. Click on API management, and this is your vendor ID and API secret key. Okay, go back to your Shopify screen. Click on app settings. In the vendor ID, copy your vendor ID and vendor secret and the API secret. Okay, for pickup ID, go to your profile section, click on pickup location, and this is your pickup ID. Copy this pickup ID and paste it here. Select your shipper origin, and these are the other default settings: the shipment type, the handling type. If you want to print item details on your Swift Logistic label, you can select the option, and so on the SKU. If you only want to calculate COD orders, you can select this option. If you want to auto fulfillment order, you can select yes. You can also save your tracking details. You can also calculate the number of pieces. You can also auto calculate the weight, and you can enter the default weight. Here are the default shipment remarks. Enter the remarks and click submit. Your settings has been successfully submitted. Now you can book your Shopify order in Swift Logistic panel using our application. In this section, I will show you how to upload your Shopify orders in your Swift vendor portal using our application. Okay, first you can go to your order screen. Here are two ways to upload the orders. You can bulk select the orders and go to more action. Click Swift bulk booking. Now these orders are loaded. You can also edit the name or phone or address or city. If the city is not matched, then it will show the error here. You can also edit the amount. You can also edit the weight and the shipment type. In this view button, you can change the handling or number of pieces and the remarks. Here is the default remarks, and in item details, here the quantity, the item title with SKU. Now click upload booking. The booking in progress. Okay, now all these orders are booked, and here are the tracking detail and the fulfillment status. Now log into your Swift Logistic portal or go to your label screen, and here is the detail of the orders. Now go back to your Shopify screen, go to orders, and you can check that all these orders are booked with fulfillment status has been submitted. The order details are also saved as order notes. And Another way to upload your Shopify order in Swift Vendor Portal is to go to your Shopify order screen, open up the order, click on More Actions, and click on Swift Booking. Here are the order details. You can edit the fields in the View section. You can also edit the handling, pieces, and the remarks. Okay, click on Upload Booking. The order has been successfully booked. Here is the tracking detail and the fulfillment status. You can also go to your Swift Logistic portal, and as you can see, the details are uploaded to Swift panel. Go back to your order screen, and this order is also marked as fulfilled.